Hey everybody, my name's Sheena. I make these wonderful little masks and I just want to tell you a little bit about them. They're all organic cotton. This is a 2-layer mask. I'm not going to put this one on because I have it made for a customer, but they'll come like this. So you'll get this foam piece and it's going to be tucked right inside like that. And if you take a look, this has a nice waterproof layer and that helps it kind of to stick to your face, so that's the point of that. And then you can stick this inside here and that provides some more comfort and a little more sealing. So I'm going to show you a couple tricks while you're using these masks. This is mine, so this is how I do it. Once I have it tied so that it's sized, I pull it all the way out, put it up over my head, and then I pull this string. So I never have to tie it more than once. Once it's tied, you're done. You could even tie it in a knot and cut the ends. So super easy to get on and off, very comfortable. These are organic cotton strings that have some stretch to them. So they're really comfortable, unlike, the ones that kind of go behind your ear or just elastic can get kind of uncomfortable, and so these are really good. And the other thing that I'm coming out with right now is these filters. So these are also organic cotton, but they're impregnated with silver. And so the use case for that is they help kill microbes. So they're a little bit better of a filter than just a plain cotton. It's totally safe to have up to your mouth. So as you can see in this mask, there's a filter pocket in all the masks, whether you order a 2-layer or a 3-layer, there's a filter pocket. So you can just go ahead and fold this, stick it right up in there, and then you should be able to easily just unfold it. There we go. And then you have your filter kind of tucked up inside there. And this is nice if you have other filters you like to use, whether you have a carbon filter or whatever, or if you're just getting really hot and you're not super close to people, then you can have a removable filter, so that's nice. The other thing is when you put these masks on, they have a metal stainless steel that's sewn inside, and that'll be just bent straight. So if you go ahead and take that and measure on your nose, where right here, where your nose meets your face, and just kind of put your finger there like that, and then you're gonna bend that so it's in this shape, just like that. And then when it lays on your nose, it'll lay flat close to your face like that. So those are a couple tips and tricks to get a good fit. You don't have to have the foam nose piece. Some people wear these long term, and so for comfort reasons they like to have these. I personally just wear it at the grocery store and things like that, so I don't always use it. So it comes separate, so you can pre-wash your mask. It's sticky. You could get a couple uses out of it, so that's an option for you. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy your mask.